our brother Fawkes wants to take the Shahada. In fact, this is my nephew. He's my nephew's friend in high school, and he's been learning about Islam, and he wishes to take the Shahada. Andalus, his friend, will inshallah give him, tell him what to recite to take the Shahada. But I just want to give a short talk. You're taking a solemn sort of, we are witnessing your own witnessing that you accept Islam as a religion, and what the testimony of faith that you're about to pronounce will make you a brother in faith with us. And I'm sure you already know this, you probably already studied this, but there's two main things in Islam. One is the 5 pillars of Islam, and also the 6 elements of faith. And so the 5 pillars of Islam is to say this Shahada that you're about to say now, and to pray, and to fast the month of Ramadan. You pray 5 times a day, fast the month of Ramadan, to pay zakat, which is a charity you have to pay once a year, and to do hajj, to make pilgrimage to Mecca once in your lifetime. As for the 6 elements of faith, it is to believe in God, it is to believe in His books, it is to believe in His messengers, it is to believe in His angels, it is to believe in the day of judgment, which includes being judged and also reward and punishment as a result of the judgment. And finally, the 6th is to believe in qadr, to believe in predestination. That which is good and that which is bad, we accept it all, that it comes from God, and we beseech God to predestine for us good. So with that brief introduction of Islam, you can go ahead and...
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I didn't plan on giving a talk or nothing, but I just wanted to say, I know we have lots of friends, lots of people who we wish would become Muslim, or we wish we could guide, and we don't want to make it awkward, we don't want to be pushy or whatever, but just give a small effort, whatever it may be, whether it's just being a good person in front of them, donating. You guys won't believe, I found out he was interested by sending him a TikTok. I just be sending TikToks, I just shoot him. Might as well shoot, man, you know, you can make it, and look where it got me. So that's it. If I could inspire anyone to just take a shot, just try. We all have people we want to become Muslim, we want to guide in our life. That's all I would say. Well, okay, you ready? Okay, Shahadu.
Shahadu.
And la.
And ilah.
And la.
And la.
Ilaha.
Ilaha.
Illallah.
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 Wa ashhadu. Wa
ashhadu.
Wa ashhadu.
Hadu.
Anna.
Anna.
La ilaha. Oh. La ilaha illallah. Wa ashhadu anna Muhammad.
Muhammad.
Rasulullah.
Or Rasulullah.
I hereby testify. That there is no God. But Allah. And that Prophet Muhammad. Is his messenger. Takbir! Takbir! Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.